Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo error code 2124 4607. The error reads, "The use of online services is restricted on this console." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to access online services in games like Super Smash Bros., Ultimate or Splatoon 3. The error typically indicates that Nintendo has issued a temporary or permanent ban on your console's online access. Some players have shared that they received a 14-day temporary ban for reasons such as being AFK in a game or having an inappropriate username. If your ban is temporary, you may just need to wait until it expires. Nintendo usually sends an email explaining why the ban was issued. Check your email inbox linked to your Nintendo account to see if you have received any messages from Nintendo about the ban duration or reason. If you believe the ban was issued by mistake or if you need more clarification, we suggest reaching out to Nintendo support. They may provide more details about the restriction and whether anything can be done to lift it. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.